Today we're going to be going over Canva's Magic Morph, which is an AI tool part of Canva's Magic Studio. So what is Magic Morph? It is an AI tool which can be used to change text, element, or shapes into something you want or want to edit. Keep in mind that this does not support docs, SVJs, illustrations, painting styles, raster images, or videos. What you want to do is head to canva.com and then you want to press create a design. From here, we're going to select a presentation. Now to use Canva's Magic Morph, let's add an element. So we're going to use this graphic element, which is a football player. Then we're going to go to apps to use and then search up Morph. As you can see, the first result is a Canva Magic Morph. So we want to select the element we want to change. So we're going to change this football player. Then we're going to describe the look. So we want it to have a blue jersey. So we're going to type in make the jersey blue. And then we're going to press Magic Morph. This process usually takes a couple of seconds. Now, as you can see, we've successfully generated 4 blue jerseyed players. Now we can select any of these, and there we have it. We have successfully used Magic Morph to change this graphic element.